I did a video before on this fan, but I didn't have it running, so this is the video of it running. I was warned to be very careful about putting my fingers near the blade, so you should do the same. Here it is. It's making that sound because it's so it is quiet. It's just moving around on the table there, that's why it's doing that. But it was, as you could hear, very quiet. And there's the video. You know what? Yeah, it's unplugged, I can do this now. While we're doing things. Oh, looks like that could be a mounting hole there. Yeah, if it was, then it's pulls it off the. Is there enough angles? Did I do a good job in that video? What did I miss? Let me know. I like to improve my videos all the time, so alright, have a great day.